And the last chance to restore it. Probably let's try to make something to make it work. So it consumes half of normal amount of power. It doesn't indicate that it works. So probably let's try to restart it according to instruction. Reset it to the factory setting. For that, long press on the photo button. Device should turn off. I don't know, does it turn off or not? There is nothing which indicates me that it works. And again, it looks that it doesn't work. Let's have a look. Yeah, it still consumes half of power, and for you it like just turn it off, but in fact it will discharge your battery, your car battery. So again, let's try to unplug it from battery. Connect. Device doesn't indicate that it works. There is no flash card, anything, and just connect it to the red cable. Device booting, and it restarted again and again. Nothing indicates that devices work except power consumption. So again, it doesn't indicate that it works. I even don't know what's going on with it. And if I'll leave it as is and turn off my car, it will discharge my battery, I assume. Let's try to disconnect the red cable. Probably it will turn off at least. No. So this piece of garbage will discharge your car battery, and that's it. What it will do with your car. It won't record the video for you. It just kills your battery, and that's it. Never buy this device. Never.